Friends, whenever we think about space, our minds often ponder upon an endless and unfathomable mystery, one without any limits. However, the interest in understanding space is quite high among most people. In recent years, humanity has invested a considerable amount of resources in exploring space and unraveling the mysteries of the vast cosmos. Notably, space agencies like NASA, SpaceX, and ISRO are consistently advancing towards new frontiers. These agencies are now working towards establishing human presence on other planets. This endeavor has also brought significant benefits to the general public. Over the past years, we have learned a lot about space, and science has unveiled secrets that were once confined to stories and myths. Despite these advancements, there are still many individuals with limited knowledge about space. Conversely, in the realm of cinema, whether it's Bollywood, Hollywood, or South Indian films, there is a tendency to embellish space-related stories with fictional elements. Filmmakers often ignore scientific facts to make movies entertaining, and viewers sometimes confuse these cinematic depictions with reality. The actuality of space is quite distinct from the imaginative tales portrayed in films. Today, we are going to share some misconceptions about space that are widely believed. Number 1 misconception. People often think that our sun is a burning ball of fire. In reality, the sun is not burning. It's a nuclear fusion process where hydrogen fuses into helium under immense pressure, producing energy. Another misconception is that asteroids can be destroyed by launching rockets at them with explosives. However, the truth is that nuclear explosions in space could potentially create more hazards than solutions, scattering smaller asteroid fragments that could rain down on Earth. A more viable approach would be to alter the trajectory of an asteroid before it reaches Earth. Another misconception is related to the feeling of weightlessness in space. According to scientists, true weightlessness begins at about 62 miles above Earth's surface. However, you won't instantly feel weightless after reaching space. In fact, you might feel like you're still on Earth. Only when you are in free fall, such as during orbital motion, you will experience a lack of gravity. Achieving orbit means moving at a speed of about 17,500 miles per hour, and the sensation of weightlessness occurs in this state. Lastly, comets, often depicted in popular media as icy bodies with tails, are not composed solely of ice and gas. The truth is that comets are a mix of frozen material, gas, and dust. As they approach the sun, the gas and ice within them start to vaporize, forming a cloud around the nucleus. This creates the characteristic tail that can be seen from Earth. The direction of the sun is reversed, and they shine due to the sun's light. However, not all comets are the same, because when these celestial objects are far from the sun, they contain gases and ice, which form a tail due to the sun's heat. For this reason, it is essential for comets to come close to the sun. The fifth misconception is that at night, we can see countless stars in the sky. When we look towards the sky at night, we see numerous shining stars, and counting them seems impossible. People believe that there are countless stars in the sky, but our biggest misconception is that their count cannot be measured. This is incorrect. We can only see a limited number of stars in the sky. Some stars have lower brightness and are far from Earth, so we cannot see them. According to astronomers' estimates, we can only see about 3,000 stars in the sky with the naked eye, all at one place and time. However, it's impossible for human eyes to see more stars than this. The sixth misconception is about the moons of planets orbiting in the same direction as the planet's rotation. While this is true for most moons, Saturn's moon Titan, the largest moon in the solar system, doesn't follow this pattern. Titan, Saturn's moon, has a unique orbit that is opposite to Saturn's rotation direction. It orbits in the opposite direction compared to most other moons and follows an unusual path. However, it will eventually collide with Neptune in the future. The seventh misconception is that we will soon be able to travel in interstellar space. Interstellar space is the space between two galaxies and begins beyond the outer edge and cloud of the solar system. In movies, we see astronauts traveling in interstellar space with the help of spaceships, and it makes us believe that humans will soon achieve this. But the biggest truth today is that we cannot even reach our neighboring planet Mars, let alone interstellar space. Considering traveling to interstellar space is quite foolish. Could you tell me the distance to Mars? Mars is located at a distance of 2.5 astronomical units. According to current technology, it would take about 9 months to reach Mars. The closest star system is 4 light-years away. This means it is equivalent to a distance of 60,000 astronomical units, and 4 light-years distance translates to about 240,000 astronomical units, which would take many hundreds of years to reach. It's almost impossible to build a rocket that could take us to Alpha Centauri. And even if such a rocket were built, we wouldn't be able to reach other star systems or space. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell icon so that you receive notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you.